How to get and use Siri 2.0 in iOS 18. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General, and then move into Software Update at the very top. So in this page, first of all you have to make sure that you are running the iOS 18. If not, you have to tap on Upgrade to iOS 18 at the bottom. Also know that in order for you to update, you must need 7.56 GB available on a device. Then only you'll be able to update. So once you have iOS 18, next thing you want to do is go back to your settings, scroll down, and then head over to Siri and search. It will land you on this page. Tap on Listen For at the very top. So in this page, the Siri feature is turned on. You need to set the settings to Hey Siri or Siri. Once you have turned on, you will be good to go. So Siri 2.0 supports more natural conversations. Just start speaking naturally and Siri will understand context better. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get and use Siri 2.0 on iOS 18. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.